Hi, in this video we're going to take a look and hear the sound of a dead car battery on your Honda Accord Euro 2007. So this is what it sounds like when the battery is dead and you need to replace the battery, and this will not allow your car to start. So I'm going to put in the key and I'm going to turn on. You can see on the dashboard here, I'm going to turn on. Can you hear that noise? So it's not enough power to start the car engine. You can see there are lights, but there's not enough power to start the engine. So this basically means you need to replace a new car battery for your Honda Accord 2007. So I'm just going to turn it on again so you can listen to the sound again. So there you go, that is the sound of a dead battery. Now here I have the replacement battery. This is a supercharged batteries, and this is the battery here to replace the dead one for your Honda Accord Euro 2007. It's got 40 months warranty on it. And this one here, you can see it's 2016, so it's quite old. And here the light, it's supposed to be green, but there's no light, no color indicator, so that just showed the battery is also dead, and we need to take the top bracket off, remove the positive and negative so that we can remove the battery and you can replace it with a new battery. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yes, the sky looks beautiful today, so just share it with you. It's beautiful sky with a very nice cloud formation right there. Thank you for watching this video.